There are different types of spirit. Umuntu akangawapossessa. Lama spirit akhoza the slow movement, akhoza ama frustrations empilweni zethu as people. Umuntu upossessa different types of spirit. Lama spirit akhoza ama delays, akhoza the slow movement, and the lama spirit, they come in different form empilweni yomuntu. Umuntu upossessa ama spirit amaningi ahlukene, akhoza amanye i-delay, akhoze the slow movement, akhoze ama frustrations. Lama spirit afika in different form. For an example, someone can possess the spirit. The spirit is based on it's a delay spirit. Delay spirit ayizelanga empilweni yakho to kill you. Delay spirit mayisempilweni yakho or someone possesses that spirit. Asizelanga to destroy you ukuthi sizokubulala, but a delay spirit ifika empilweni yomuntu to cause a slow movement. Sizokhoza the delay. What it means you apply for umsebenzi, but kube ne delay for you ukuthi uthole umsebenzi. You expect someone ukuthi enze something in your life, but kube nama delays amaningi for you ukuthi ube assisted. Means in your life there is a delay. Somebody can promise you something, but uthathe iminyaka nesikhathi eside ukuba lento yenzeke. Sometimes it delay till. It means in your life there is a spirit that you possess. The spirit that you possess, it's a delay spirit. And that spirit ayizelanga to kill you, but izele to frustrate you. Izele to frustrate you, to cause a slow movement. Izele ukuthi izokwenza ukuthi kungabe khona rest in your life. It is a demon. There is another spirit. Someone possessor again, whereby you try to do things and uyazenza lezinto uqale into ukuthi uyayenza uzibone na ukuthi uqalile, but you fail. Yonke into iqalayo iyafaila. You are good to plan. You are good to come up with different ideas. You are good to beka yonke into into order. But must finally something iqale kwenzeke something in your life bese kuvedane kungenzeki. Uthi sothi uyayiqala lento ukuthi ayenzeke manje ivedane ifailing ngenzeke. It means ukuthi there is a spirit that is in your life ezokhoza the frustration, the slow movement, the delay in your life. There is a spirit of failure. Spirit of failure asizelanga empilweni yakho to kill you. These are the demons that 99.99% of Christians, we live with this spirit. And they possess this spirit in a manner that says our embrace this spirit as part of us. As part of us. When there is failure, kube lula for you to say, noma uqhubeka, knowing exactly what things are failing in your life. Yet every day we are tandaza, every day you worship God, and every day we are chuluga. But Monday, you fail. We even mase kukhona zonke lezi zinto kwenzeka this thing in your life awusenankinga nazo ngoba zingama slow mover in your life in a manner that they make you as a Christian uhlale ucomfortable, whereas you are dying on the other side. There are things that are happening into our lives esizicomfortayo kuze kube lula to live with them. Singayiboni inkinga ukuthi kunenkinga enkulu esibhekene nayo here. Uyazenza izinto ziyafeyila, which means that in your life, and Babu Kwamanda, which means that kune spirit of failure. Yonke into oyenzayo iyaqala. Spirit of failure asikuvimbi ukuthi uqala izinto, kodwa siyakunqanda ukuthi ufike kwi-completion of them. You fail. Asinankinga ukuthi uye esikoleni. Ungaya esikoleni asinankinga uregister bakuthathe wenze yonke into. Asinankinga ukuthi uya-attend ama-classes noma wenzani, kodwa sibheke the end result. The end result kungabi yona lento oyilindele kuvedane bowufeyila. The waste of time. You put more effort into things, but izinto azifiki into completion. The ending may be perfect because there is a wrong spirit as pillar in your life, the spirit of failure. Somebody may possess another spirit. The spirit said temporary madness. The spirit of what? Temporary madness. Temporary madness, it's whereby someone appeal with the spirit akas worship hayo. As athi mina nginofuzo likasibanibani. Lo muntu unenkinga ye-anger. Uyalwa kungenasidingo. I-anger limited the ability yokucabanga. When one ebanjwe yilolu hlobo lomoya enenkinga ye-anger, i-anger ifana nokuthi uhambe emgwaqeni ophelayo ngaphambili. Njengoba ngithi anger, i-temporary madness, kusho ukuthi awuziboni ukuthi usemsanganweni wesikhathi esithize unesifo sokugula ngengqondo. This is another spirit. Most of us as Christians, we possess that spirit, and up until today, we are not yet delivered on them. Why we are not delivered on them? We worship these spirits. We accept them in our lives as part of us. Kulula ukuthi mina ngithindwa mina manje ngalibeka phansi iBhayibheli kunohlobo lomoya. Lalela, kunabantu abaluza good relationship. My relationship are good. Good company. Uzuyabuza ukuthi bahambelani labantu in your life. Abanye bahanjiswa ukuthi ngoba mhlawumbe kumele bahambe, bahanjiswa uhlobo lomoya olupossessayo. 99.99% of Christians who are born again, worshiping God every day, they possess this spirit. And they live with this spirit. And they are comfortable Yet these spirits, they cause a damage in your life. You lose money. You lose deals. You lose positions. You know you are highly qualified. You have got experience. But because of this spirit as pillar in you, this spirit controls you. Awunqeni ukuthi usukela nje ubambe iboss yakho ngamawashini. And uqhubeke futhi ungabi nankinga. Because the spirit sifaka one thing esifaka with the spirit of anger. Sifaka lento ukuthi always uhlala right. And siyakwenza lolu hlobo lomoya uzufuna abanye abantu abathize abazosupporta wena for you ukuthi uzizwe ubetter. Ngithe qaleni, people may possess this spirit in different form. I know you are Christians. I know you are delivered and uNkulunkulu uhambe nani isikhathi eside. But emnyakeni ngimile phambi kwabantu preaching the word of God, I came to discover there are some certain demons asidla every day. And lama demoni, they are causing a lot of damage to us. Yet we are comfortable. Very comfortable. Kulula abantu ngike ngabona abantu bebekwa kuma certain ministries here in IBM. Kuthiwa no, whether we sound team. Kuthiwa wena no. When we IT, when we say kitchen, when we worship team. Mawuthi you notice why these people, and every day they quit. Every day born. They want to do. Why? Wrong spirit. Christians, we possess some certain spirit and we are comfortable with them and we live with them every day, yet they are destroying us. Today, they are born again Christians. They are saying, mina in my family angifuna umuntu kanti wena onenkinga ungafuni umuntu. And amehlo akho aseze aguquka kubangathetha ufunwa. This spirit makes you to convince you, uziconvince yourself uthi angifunwa ube ngakho namuntu othe. You read actions kanti ufunda ama action in a wrong way. And this kind of demons, of these spirits, they even invite someone. Invite your friend or say Cape Town. Umuntu waxabana naye some years ago. Afetana buya zokhaka. Athi kade ngufuna sengadlula lapha kanti uzoqala indaba ezinye ezingale to destroy what you have. Kunama reconciliation esiwacelebrate athiwa i-reconciliation, family union, nokuhlangana abantu abathize, yet ama-union that have been planned by devil in hell to destroy you. We lose important things, important people. Silahlekelwa ama-contracts abalulekile because sinenkinga ye-ignorance of this spirit. And these spirits, they came in different form. When they figure into our lives, they figure Babu Dlamini nicely. Ifika ngalendlela ukuthi kunohlobo labantu elingathi lifika kuwe ube kanye nalo uzothi no labantu ba right kanti abekho right, they possess wrong spirit. Ubanikeza some certain position, abanye uzobanika even your cars and everything because they are right kanti now they are not right. They possess wrong spirit. I know as Christians we are good to focus kwezinye izinto esicabanga ukuthi thina zizona ezinkulu, yet kunezinto esizenzayo as it destroy the movement of the spirit. I've seen a certain spirit and a certain demon as a prophet. Miscarrying spirit. Miscarrying spirit means you conceive something, but awukwazi ukubamba the fruits. Along the way, ifruit iyaphuma. Miscarrying spirit, it means Babu Kwamanda, someone can receive something. Umnikeze something right now. But my figure kuye ifa before ifinyelele kwi point of angabibonwa yizwe. Yonke into ethintwa uye ifa before iproduce ama result right. Mawuke wanikezwa into iyaphela kuwe. Why? I spent 13 years to 15 years praying in this place, receiving Jesus name. Everyone in this place that I receive. Yet the result, awathi ukuthi pollen ureceive. It means you receive the blessing. But when it comes to manifestation of these blessings, zivetane ziphume along the way. As a fig with stage whereby you receive spiritually and also being to receive in a physical form. It means there is a miscarrying spirit, and this spirit destroys you. And the spirit must bamba singozi asikuvimbi ukuthi uthandeze ka100, asikuvimbi ukuthi ufaste, asikuvimbi ukuthi ufundiswe, kodwa siwafuna ama good result in your life. Yet as we are sitting down, we are comfortable with this spirit. Sewuze uyaziwa, waziwa nangendlela ogqoka ngayo, waziwa ngendlela obamba ngayo, kuthiwa lo ubaba umthembu uyakholwa. But there is a miscarrying spirit. The spirit se-miscarrying siphila kuye, uyayimukela into kodwa uyayiluza futhi. This is another form of the spirit that Tina, as Christians, we are comfortable uphila with this spirit. And size sathuthuzana sodwa sathi sibekezele endleleni sithandaza ukuthi kuzolunga, kanti size leli demon selikhandela idleka to us. Asisalibali nasentweni ekuthiwa no, njengoba ngingaphumeleli ngiyayenza into 1 or 2 nakwenzeke, kwenza ukuthi ingqondo zethu uphuphutiseke ukubona ukuthi there is a wrong spirit in us. That spirit asisho ukuthi kuzofa abantu, ingoba anything that you touch iyafa kuwe. Ayikho into eyathintwa uwe eqhubeka iphile. Unikeza icamera iveyiphuke, unikeza iproject kuthiwa no, sikunika nayi project and this is a business iyarun, ifike kuwe kade irana kahle kuthiwa malibonge mi, ifike kuwe vedane ife. Why? There is a spirit, that spirit, anything that you touch iyafa. I've observed, ngiqhubeka ngithandaza, I once deliver someone with another spirit, the dog spirit. Umuntu obanjwe by this spirit umsolo, kungave kulahleka iphepha la endlini sithi hayi iphepha umbuso. Everywhere you go, uhlala ujaha everywhere where you go, hlale kulandelwana ngemuva, khandeka umsindo la ukhona. This is a spirit abanye baze bahlale ejele entweni abangazenzanga. Inkinga unohlobo lomoya olingekho uprooted, kunohlobo lomoya olingazange lakhishwa kuye. There is another type of spirit, the human spirit, whereby someone abanje umoya we-anger alwe, kodwa ngiyawuthanda lo moya ubamba abantu abaningi, futhi ubambe ngikhuluma ama-spirit abambe us sindlu yokholo as Christians. The spirit pride. The spirit isihlakaniphile, sikuphi iposition ungenayo, siyakwenza nje ukuthi uphakame kungafanele ngabe uyaphakama. Ungamenyezela uthi no siyadla sonke la endlini. Ilona lo akathatha iqatha mephuma lapha umnyango athi umisa angidli noma yikuphi ubanje uhlobo lwani le pride ukuthi simhlebele sithi what position oyiyena noma engenalutho. Uyabaza ubuhlungu uphakamele nabantu abazokusiza, uphakamele nabantu who can change you. Every day the spirit asikufuna ukubona usubmitter, asifuna uphila under. Always sikuhlale sikubeka nje ukuthi wena unqa phambili futhi awuyingene yangemuva, uhlala number 1. Might happen ukuthi all the spirits that I've already mentioned, you possess all of them. Why ngikhulume like this is just that 90% of us in this place, we possess all these spirits that I'm talking about. And we are all comfortable and we call ourselves as Christians every day, yet we are living with demons. And these demons, they frustrate us. We realize the demon elvetane lokwenza ukuthi uvetane ngubuke nje uvetane ngithi ngiyakunyanya. Ngathiwa wonke umuntu kuyahagwana la endlini uqhamusa usitshela ukuthi kunabanukayo. Angithi iphunga libhlungu lenza ukuthi ungazizwa wena ukuthi kunuka wena kuqala. No, that's a demon. Kwakona ukuthi ubona ngathi ukholwa wedwa nje, there is something wrong. These are the spirits akhona and we are comfortable with them. Umbona nangendlela akenza ngayo ukuthi ubona ngathi uyedwa nje umuntu. This thing worries me. And kunamanye ama-demon angadingi even deliverance, adinga a healing, because there is a difference between a deliverance nani ne healing. Because a deliverance it's a process of being rescued. Uma someone kuthiwa ube healed, a process of making someone abe sound noma abe healthy, we call that one is healing. So someone akasathi noba rescued udinga straight healing. Asidili with what we see, but sidila ne source. Healing iti yane mpandeni, kanti deliverance iti cast out what you see. Ingakho lithi iBhayibheli abo Paul nabo Silas bambone wesifazane memeze ethi laba ngabantu bakaNkulunkulu bezweni. Into 3 days lo wesifazane ekhuluma into eyodwa. They decided to deliver the woman. Ithini lento? Bakhomanda uhlobo lwedimoni ababelibona ngaleso sikhathi. And a woman wabadeliver kuleli demoni elalibanga umsindo. When Jesus Christ efika, a man they possess so many demons. Lama demoni abizwa abakuthiwa ilegion. Uthi mefika uJesu ubona lo muntu action wakhe. What you just akadingi deliverance, but this person needs healing. Yingakho uJesu embuza umbuzo ethi ungubani igama lakho? By asking igama wese eseya kwi source of the problem. Yathi ndoda ngiyiligion means singamademoni sibaningi. Funa ngalenkathi ecast demon, ecast demon lokuzikhatha nokunqamla amaketanga. Aqhubeka umuntu enza izinto ezwrong yet to delivered kanti akazange abe healed. Healing it go down from the source. That's the reason why you'll find people in a prophetic house, yet every weekend, every Sunday, every weekend they are delivered, but they continue but Peter's a certain life, yet babe wizandla. It means akakafinyelelwa from the root cause, from the source of the problem. Sikaste out the demon that we see. Ishuthini lo moya le spirit separate. Sisho ukuthi bayalima kodwa bayatshala akumili. Ba busy, they prepare the land. But mame prepare the land. Imvula ayifiki. 2, bayayifaka imbewu. But I germinating. But umhlabathi ubarren. As I'm speaking right now, there are people in this place. Our possess the very same spirit. Anything a figure kubo I germinate. Akumili lutho. The barren spirit is we are receiver kodwa aqhumi lutho. Ayikho into ekhulayo mayifika kuwe. There is nothing a germinator. Abantu bedolobha bagijima beza kuye bathi our land in a problem. Umhlabathi ubarren. Ngamanye amazwi umhlabathi wethu upossess a certain spirit. Amanzi ayababa. Ngamanye amazwi wonakela umhlabathi. Lithi iBhayibheli, the highly anointed man of God yabezwa, oh uNkulunkulu yathi ngiletheleni isitsha, lesi sitsha masibe sisha. 2, and also bring some salt. Ngilithanda lithi iBhayibheli lithi wayesesuka akangaya kwamanje emfuleni kodwa waya esiphethwini, waya la amanzi eqhamuka khona. Lithi iBhayibheli wafika wafaka utswayi khona. Wathi mefaka utswayi khona amanzi aphenduka abamtoti. Kodwa ukube wawafaka emfuleni kuzolapheka leyo mfula kuphela. Oh, I come to this place namuhla ntambama ngizekule ndawo ngizela into eyodwa. I'm here ukuzoveza amandla kaMoya oNgcwele. I am tired. Enough is enough to deal with these demons. Engiyabona ngamehlo ami kodwa namhlanje wehlele uMoya oNgcwele. I'm here to deal with the source. I'm here to deal with the source. I'm here to deal with the reservoir. Angizokuya emfuleni nendabela yona kodwa ngiyahlile ukuya to the source. The source of the problem. Lithi iBhayibheli bring some salt. Lithi bamnika ini utswayi akahamba nalo. Wathi ngitshengiseni laqala khona inkinga. Kathona amanzi onke. Wathi angikwazi ukuhamba ngizolazula imfula kodwa ngifuna ukuyovela ukuyobheka into eyodwa. Ngifuna ukuyeqaleni kwakho. Ngifuna ukwazi le nkinga iqhamuke kuphi. Yileyo ndawo edinga the healing. Once you heal the source and the rest kwenzeka njengoba